In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on adaptive power mode on iPhone. This is great if your battery drains kind of quickly, so we're going to go ahead and turn this on. It's important to know that you should have the newest version of iOS 26 loaded on your phone for this. It is somewhat of a new feature. So let's go to settings, and you want to go down to where it says battery. And then once this loads up, this gives you a lot of data about your battery health, but you want to scroll down and go to power mode. So as you see, it says adaptive power, and then below it, it has the notifications turned on. So we can go ahead and turn this on, and it's going to make better use of your battery. It's just going to give you better options allocating the battery and what it's going to be used for. So it can extend your battery life by making performance adjustments based on display brightness and things like that. So it should be able to have your battery last a little bit longer throughout the day so you don't have to turn on low power mode. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to turn on adaptive power mode on your iPhone.